What's up, my friends? Welcome to New View Tech Review. My name is David Gelly, and today we are unboxing the Garmin Vivomove HR. So, let's get to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so first things first, I don't normally do these types of videos where it's unscripted, and maybe after watching this video, you'll agree that maybe I shouldn't do unscripted videos, but anyway, so here we are unboxing the Garmin Vivomove HR. This was in the lineup of ones that I wanted to review as far as hybrid smartwatches go, and this one just kind of stood out to me. So sorry, you're gonna have to excuse me, I'm a little sick. Anyway, so I thought this looked interesting and decided to pick it up and do an unboxing for you guys and then get to reviewing it. So yeah, let's get to it. So, all right, so first thing that we get out of the box is this. Oh my gosh, this is a terrible looking charger. Okay, so if this is the charger, this is a disappointment already. It looks like a chip clip. Okay, this is pretty terrible. Looks like it's got some prongs right there. I don't know if you can see those. But yeah, it's got some prongs right there that will probably connect to the back or the side or something. Let's see if we get a power brick with that. All right, so there it is. The Garmin Vivomove HR. It's hard to remember that full name. So let's take it out and see what it looks like. And this is the Sport Edition. I know there's like a Classic Edition that's more expensive and looks a lot nicer, but hey, this is my money, so I'm gonna buy the cheaper one for now. The band feels a little flimsy, not too bad. I suppose let's take this off. All right, so it looks like there's the heart rate sensor on the back. I'm assuming that's what the HR on the Vivomove HR stands for, heart rate. And it looks like that's where the battery is going to clip onto. Seems quite ridiculous, but I guess it is what it is. Yeah, it doesn't feel too bad. You know, the body itself, you know, feels fairly sturdy for a Garmin. And it looks like there's no brick on the inside, just some instructions, the manual, and this. So that's kind of a bummer that they don't include a power brick in there for us. All right, let's get this out of the way and get this powered on. I'm not even sure how you power this on. I don't see a button for it. Am I going crazy? Okay, well, we're gonna skip ahead and I'll let you know how I figured out how to power this on. All right, guys, so I figured out how to turn it on. You actually have to start charging it with this crappy clip, and then it turns on and says hello. And then I guess I'm supposed to install the app, which I have right here, so I need to create an account. So I will do that really quickly. All right, so I got an account set up and that's ready to go. And I guess we'll just connect it. Oh, cool, and it shows the pairing number on the actual watch. And we wait. Okay, so I got a profile set up, and here's the app right here. It's got a few different tabs to click on. It shows you your day, weight, the last 7 days. I mean, I haven't done anything yet, so there's nothing in here yet. Calendar, news feed. I have no idea what that's for, but news, I guess. All right, so I should probably put this thing on and see how it looks and give it a test. So I got the watch on my wrist and it feels pretty good. It's super light, especially compared to the Fossil Q hybrid smartwatch, which I did a full review of. Check that out in the description down below, or click the little thing that pops up over here or wherever. But yeah, much lighter, which will be nice for sports, you know, outdoor activities. The thing I'm a little confused about off the bat is the little screen on here says the time, 8:03, but isn't that what the watch hands are for? I mean, it seems kind of redundant. So I think the thing that I'm most bummed about upon first impressions would be the charger. It's quite ridiculous. I mean, that's how you apparently turn it on. There's the heart rate sensor activating, but there's no actual physical buttons on this. It's literally, you just plug in the smartwatch, and that's how it turns on. And I guess it just turns off by dying, apparently. So that's kind of a bummer, but this little chip clip thing is quite ridiculous, and the fact that it does not come with a power brick is also disappointing. But yeah, I'll test this thing out and put it through its paces and see how it does in the wild. You can expect a full review on this in a couple weeks, and we'll see how it does. That's all I had for you today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Garmin Vivomove HR. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.